Our tip from the air is birds. Oh my gosh. I have had bird situations since I began flying. Everything from swallows to hawks to hand sparred cranes, which you're seeing flying over the house, to this pack of doves flying around my drone like it was a bag of bees. I ended up having to bring this flight down immediately. And I've also had to bring them down with hawks in the air. Remember, you're a guest in their environment. So if you do see hawks or birds, doves, quail, anything like that, that take an active interest in your drone, well, you could probably hurt those birds pretty badly with the drone. And also, let's just say they took your drone out of the sky. Well, if they take your drone out of the sky, there's about $1,000, $1,500 worth of damage, and you're not going to get it back. Here I was up in the mountains, and I had a swarm of hawks come in, and then I'm down at the beach, and those are some seagulls that were flying around the house. They didn't cause a problem, but I was certainly aware of their existence when I was flying, doing the inspection of the property. Again, my tip from the air is that if there are birds in the air, think twice about flying. Some birds will take an active interest in what you're doing, and some don't care. It's the birds that don't care will allow you to continue your operation.